Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, let's start our today's lecture. As you know that I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassiramis. And today we again learn about plant and we learn that stem we eat. So, let's start our today's topic with one beautiful line, that your mind is a garden, your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. So whatever you think in your mind, good or bad, its impact on your work. So like that, if you think good, your work will be good, and if you think bad, then your work will be bad. So your mind is your garden. So let's start our today's lecture. Now, yesterday we learned about food we get from plant. So let's see some food which we get from plant. So you can see here one mango is dancing. So we get mango from plant. And see some food which we get from plants. So peas, pineapple, pumpkin, chili and cauliflower. So these all are food we get from plants. So today again we continue yesterday's topic, the food we get from plant. So let's start what we learn today. We learn about food we get from plant, and we learn today that which stem we eat. So let's see which stem we eat. Before that, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So we learned yesterday about root vegetables, and we also learn about that which food we get from plant, and we also learn that which type of food we eat in daily life. So let's see. First, we revised the lesson number 3 yesterday about parts of the plant. So there are 5 parts of plant which we learn in yesterday lecture, and we also learn that all parts of the plant we can eat in different ways. So yesterday we learned about food we eat in everyday life. So we eat food 3 times a day. So in morning we eat breakfast, then in afternoon we take lunch, and at evening we take dinner. So yesterday we learned that which food we eat for growing healthy. So we learned that food which you can see here, egg and many vegetables like potato, carrot, coriander, brinjal and spinach. These all are food which we eat in everyday life. Some food we take in breakfast like eggs and bread, and some food we take in lunch, and we take a proper meal in afternoon and at evening. We also drink tea at evening, and some people take snack also in evening. So we learn that some food we get from plant and some food we get from animals, or some from plants. So you can see here all food which we eat like milk, chicken, fish, corn, all these are food which we eat. Then we learn that some food like bread, chapati, tea, coffee, rice, all these food also we get from plant, which we learn in lesson number 4. In lesson number 3 we learn about plants, that how many parts of plant and how many types of plant. And lesson number 4 we learn that which part of the plant we eat, and we can identify the parts of the plant which we eat. So in this lesson we learn about plant as a food, that how we eat plant as a food, and every part of the plant we eat, like fruits, vegetables are we get from plant. And we also grow plants like mango, tomato, then watermelon, and we learn that all this food we get from plant. Then we learn yesterday root of the plant which we eat. So what are the root of the plant? That underground part of the plant we eat is a root. It's look like a stem, but it is a root of the plant, and we eat as a vegetable. So yesterday we see the example of roots we eat, where root vegetables grow. Root vegetables are grow underground, because we all know that roots are growing under the land. You can see here the carrot. So today we revise root vegetable with growing carrot. So let's see how carrots start growing. So here you can see the carrot which we have to grow. So first, when we grow carrot, we need a carrot, because carrots start growing from carrot tops. Now which is carrot tops from it? Let's see. It is a carrot top. So if you want to grow carrot at home, you need carrot top from it. So I cut the carrot top and growing carrot. So some plants are grow from roots and some plants are grow from leaf also. As we learn that most of the part of plant start growing from seeds. So here we take a carrot top and we put in one bowl of water. So when you grow carrot, take one bowl and put some water in it and let carrot in this bowl for some days. So when you put carrot in this bowl for some days, you can see that carrots start growing. So that green color part of the plant is the stem of the plant. So you can see here that carrot is a root of the plant, because stems start growing after root. So here when carrots start growing, we have to take out that carrot from water, and we put this carrot in soil. Now how we grow carrot or any other plant? First we need to wet the soil. So we put water on soil and then plant a carrot. Then plug it the land and put carrot top in it. You can see here. Now we have to cover only carrot tops. So here we cover it. Remember that the stem of carrot we cannot cover, because if you cover it, then carrot not start growing, because we all know that only root of the plant grow underground. Other part of the plant are growing on the land. Now let's see how carrots start growing. You can see here that underground part of the plant is carrot. It's look like a stem, but it is not stem of the plant. It is a root of the plant, because we can see here roots are growing underground. So here you can see carrot which we eat. It is a root of the plant, but it looks like a stem. So now you can understand that how roots vegetable are growing. Then it is a real picture of carrot which growing underground. When you take out it from land, it's look like that, and we make many dishes from carrot. Sweet dishes we make from carrot. So here is the carrot which we take from the soil and we can use as a vegetable. So like carrot, all root vegetables are grow underground. So now let's start is that roots of the plant. You can see here beetroot. It is a root of the plant because it is the underground part of the plant. Then onion, we learned yesterday about all these examples of root vegetables. We use garlic, green garlic and peeled garlic in our food. We make a paste of this garlic and put in our food for taste. So these all are example of roots we eat. You can see here plant of garlic. So these four vegetables we eat in our food. These all are root vegetables. So we learn about stem we eat. So stem is a part of the plant which gives support to the plant, and we also know that stem is connected with every part of the plant. So it's carry water and food from the land and pass all over the plant. So let's see that which type of stem we eat in our food. So first we see the stem. Stem is a part of the plant which grow after the roots. As we grow mango plant, as we grow watermelon plant, as we grow rose plant, we learn that first of the roots start growing, and after then up on the ground is growing stem. So let's see some stem which we eat in our food. So you can see here that the stem sugarcane. Sugarcane we use in fruit, but sugarcane is a stem of the plant, not fruit of the plant. As we know that some vegetables like brinjal, tomatoes and chilies are fruit of the plant when we eat as a vegetable. Wherever the sugar is we get from sugarcane, and that sugarcane is a stem of the plant. It not a fruit of the plant. So you can see here the leaf is on sugarcane. So the stem is straight, and on this leaf start growing. From this picture you can understand that stem is we eat. And how we eat? So you can see here the black sugarcane. So sugarcane is available in two types. One is white and one is black, which we eat on kite flying day in winters. So you can see here the leaf of sugarcane is very big. That's why give support to that leaves. Why? Because if we not give support to the leaves of this plant, then plant fell down and not grow good. That's why you can see here one big stick between them which gives support to the sugarcane. So now let's see how sugarcane we use in our food. But before that we see that parts of the sugarcane which we learn in activity of lesson number 3. So here you can see the picture of sugarcane with leaf also and different type of sugarcane also. So it is a part of the sugarcane plant, and you can see the straight part of the plant is a stem of the plant which we eat as a vegetable. So let's see that sugarcane we use in food and how we use it. So here you can see the sugarcane. It's a white sugarcane and we use as a fruit, and we take a juice from sugarcane. We use sugarcane with peel also and without peels also. Now let's see, it is a sugarcane with peel. So let's see that without peels how sugarcane look. So you can see here we eat this on kite flying day. Here is the juice of sugarcane which we drink in summer. Most of the time in summer there is so many shops for sugarcane juice. So here you can see that how we take juice of this stem and we drink it. We also know that sugar which we get from plant, we get from sugarcane plant. So we use in tea, coffee and all sweet dishes, in cold drinks. This all sugar come from this plant. So it is a very important plant for human beings because we get sweet sugar from sugarcane. So we get sugar from sugarcane, and then we learn that second and most used vegetable in our home, it is a potato. Potato is a stem of the plant. Now see that how potato we use in our food. First we learn that how potatoes start growing. So you can see here the stem of the plant and the flowers start growing, then fruit also in potato plant, but we eat potato as a vegetable. Now let's see the type of potato. So in our home most of the meal we make with gravy, we add potato in it. If it is a brinjal, if it is a drumstick, if it is a non-veg food, in every food we add potato. So there are two types of potato. One is sweet potato which color in pink, and second is a potato which we regularly use in our home. So these two are stem of the plant. Now potato we use in food. We all know that how we use potato in our food. So let's see the pictures which we use potato in food. Now we use potato with peel also and without peels also. You can see here the potato in different cutting style. Now let's see how we use it. So first, our city is famous for these potatoes. So this is a street food of our city, Bhavnagar. So you can see that how we use potato in our food. Then we use as a chips. We can make chips at home also, and we buy food packet of potato chips also. So you can see here potato chips. Then fries, potato fries. You take in lunch box many times. So it is a fried potato chips. And we also use potato in proper meal. You can see here two pictures in which you can see that potato with peels and without peel. Then other stem we eat is a ginger, which we use as a medicines also. So ginger is a stem of the plant. We use ginger powder also. When we make a tea, and if someone has a headache and we add ginger in tea, then it is a remedy of headache. So ginger is a stem which we eat in our daily routine as a paste, like garlic. Ginger garlic paste we add in our meal for taste. So this is a stem of the plant which we eat. So what we learn today, that we learn about stem of the plant. Stem we eat as a food. We see the picture of sugarcane and potato and ginger. Even the green turmeric is also stem of the plant which we use in winters, and we use turmeric powder also in our food. So these all are stem of the plant which we eat. So stem we eat most is potato, sugarcane and ginger. And we all know that the sugar which we use for sweetness in food we get from sugarcane. So here is the example of stem which we eat: sugarcane, potato and ginger. So let's revise what we learned today. First we learned that how carrots start growing. So first we take a top of the carrot and we put in one bowl. So when we put in a bowl, the carrot stem start growing. So we learn that carrot is a root of the plant. That's why the stem start growing. We also learn that carrot grow in different way. When carrot top start growing, we put carrot top in a land, and we remember that we wet the land, and then we pluck it and we put carrot tops only in soil. The stem of the carrot is not covered with soil, and then carrots start growing. And we learn that carrot is a root of the plant. That's why it is grow underground. We cannot see it. It is a picture. That's why we can see it. In real, we cannot see carrot like that. Let's see the picture. In real, you can see here the carrot which grow underground. We cannot see it because root is underground part of the plant and carrot is a root. Like all these things and vegetables like beetroot and onion are growing underground. So when we take a carrot, it's look like that. And now you have carrot, so you use carrot in your food. Then we learn the stem is a part of the plant which grow after roots. So today we learn about stem which we eat in food. So first is sugarcane which we eat in food, and straight part of the plant is a stem. And here you can see the straight part of the plant which is the stem of the plant, and it is the sugarcane which we use as a fruit in our food. Then we see the black sugarcane, and we also learn that the leaf of this plant is supported by one stick, because if we not support it, then it's fell down. Then we learn part of this plant. So here is a part of this plant. The second thing we learn that how we use sugarcane in our food. So we use juice of sugarcane for drinking. We also make many dishes from this juice. And in some countries, sugarcane stick is used in making spicy food also. We get sugar from sugarcane. Then we learn about potato, which is a very useful vegetable in our daily life. So we learn about potato, that how potato plant growing. Then we see the type of potatoes: sweet potato and regular potatoes. Then potato we use in food with peel and without peels. Here different cutting style of potato. Then we see the picture of this street food of our city. Then potato chips we eat. Then potato fries. We use potato in proper meal also. Then another stem which we eat, ginger. We use ginger powder for medicines also, and many other things also. So we learn today stem we eat as a food, like sugarcane, potato and ginger and many other. These three we use in our daily lives. So I hope you all are understand then which part of the plant stem and how we use in food. So take care and stay healthy.